Today, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention activated their Emergency Operations Center following a string of cases involving severe lung diseases related to vaping. WEAU's Zach Proletsky explains what this effort could mean for the future here in Wisconsin. Zach.
Bob, last week, Senator Tammy Baldwin called on the CDC to figure out what is causing these severe lung diseases in people that vape. One local health official says while the trend is still fairly new, it's important to answer these questions sooner rather than later. As of September 12th, there have been 35 confirmed cases of severe lung disease in Wisconsin from people who say they recently vaped, according to the state health department. Now, the federal level is getting involved, with the CDC creating an emergency operations center to address the epidemic.
It's very good that they're working towards, it's better to catch it now than before it gets worse, a worse outbreak or whatever comes about. I think the sooner we catch it and make people more aware of it, that it is not good for you, the better off all of us will be.
The Emergency Operations Center is used for public health emergencies. Senator Tammy Baldwin said last week Wisconsin is at the forefront of this fight and needs help, saying, quote, "My home state has been on the front lines of this outbreak, from identifying the first cases to working with CDC to develop a specific case definition, but we need more help. I'm encouraged to see CDC step up and activate an emergency operations center so the federal government can better provide the resources necessary for understanding the cause of this illness and preventing future cases." One of the biggest questions surrounding vaping is what exactly is causing these illnesses. Respiratory therapist Karen Lynn says most cases she sees are pneumonia-based, that is made worse by vaping.
You get inflammation in your lungs when you vape. They swell. Air doesn't pass like it would otherwise. So then you start getting short of breath, and then you breathe faster, and then you don't breathe as deep, and then you start, you've got toxins in there too, so then that helps to get pneumonias.
One of the 35 confirmed cases occurred in La Crosse County, with none confirmed so far in the Chippewa Valley. And the Wisconsin Department of Health Services adds that most of the cases that have been reported have been people vaping products that include THC, the main ingredient in marijuana. The CDC says it has made it a priority to find out what is causing this outbreak.